Hey, it's Kiwi the Coast with my wingman, Sugar Shane, and we are zooming into our new listing at 11 Amador, Newport Coast.
Ah, Kiwi, nighttime landing? Are you crazy?
Don't worry, Mike's got the runway lights on. It's illumination time. Wow, we nailed the landing that time. Check out this backyard.
But Kiwi, you've never seen a backyard quite like this one before. I got the pool with all the color changing lights. I got the waterfall feature, outdoor gazebo. I can see Newport Pier, downtown LA, and don't forget Disneyland fireworks, but you really got to see this one in the daylight. Let's meet Kiwi at the front door.
Nighttime or daytime, this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa home is upgraded to the max. Let's start the tour. You don't see garages upgraded like this anywhere in the neighborhood. Epoxy floors, high-tech garage doors, plus lighting and sound system. Inside laundry as well. 2-storied living room, maestro on the piano, entertaining your guests in the formal dining room, and you got to look at the attention to detail. The glass balustrade, the stainless steel handrails, all that curved detailing, hardwood floors, new baseboards, lighting, it's got the lot. Downstairs bedroom with mirrored wardrobes, and look at the tricked out bathroom. Mood lighting, seamless glass shower, even a Dyson hand dryer. Oh, hello. Kitchen's next, totally upgraded down to the studs, custom cabinets, quartz countertops, all those name brand stainless steel appliances, wine refrigerator right here. It's the great room concept. Bose sound system, security system throughout. But what I love is these brand new special windows with the interior blinds so that I can capture and enjoy all those views out there. But wait a minute, where's Sugar Shane?
Oh, you caught me on the landing? It's time to explore the upstairs.
Extra closet behind me with bedroom number 2, hardwood floors, could be your office if you work at home.
Modern bathroom number 2, floating vanity, complete with LED lights undermount.
Bedroom number 3 with direct access to the bathroom.
Yeah, but the real magic is in the master.
And the master is large, opulent, has the 2-sided fireplace and the balcony looking out to these views. But wait till you see this. No master bathroom in Tesoro looks like this. LED lighting with changeable colors. I love the Mr. Steam shower. Lots of closet storage to keep the ladies and men happy. TV viewing from the standalone tub. Gotta love those marble floors. Sugar Shane, I think that's a wrap.
Hold on, Kiwi, what about all the amenities?
Oh, you are so right. We've got direct access to Newport Coast Elementary School, Vaughn's Shopping Centre directly below us. The community has its own pool, spa and clubhouse, and the Coastal Canyon facilities across the road. Lap pool, clubhouse, tennis, basketball, tots lot, playground, dog park even, and trails for you hikers and mountain bikers. Sugar Shane, is that a wrap now?
Yes, and we're out of here.
Let's go.